How to use Google Maps on the Street View. In this video, we are going to explore how you can turn the Google Maps into the Street View on your PC or on your laptop. So I'll firstly show you how you can do it on your PC, and then I'll also show you how you can do in your mobile. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just go to the Google in any browser, and you can just simply write maps here on the search menu. Or what you can do is just go to the top right corner right here, just click on these dots and it will take you to the maps. And there you will also find this maps option right here. Just click on it. And then whatever you want to search, just type it here. So for example, I want to explore Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall metro station. Just click here. And now it will turn on the normal map. But what you can notice on the right hand side, we have this browse street view images. So it's a person kind of sign. What you can do is, as it explains, you can just hold this person and drop it anywhere. And you will notice that when we hold this person, it will turn all the roads into the blue sign. So wherever you want to place this person, it will show you the street view of that area. So let's just drop it right here and let's see. And now we have the awesome street view of the nearby street of Burj Khalifa. So if you want to move forward, what we can do is just, you can see this arrow right here. Just place it anywhere. Just click on that area and it will move forward. And again, just pick an area and just click on it and it will move forward again. And it will do it like this. Also, if you want to rotate, you can just use your arrow keys to turn around. And also if you want to see towards right, just use the right arrow key, left arrow key, and you can use this plus minus sign as well to zoom it and zoom out. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can use the Google Maps on the Street View on your PC. Now let's see how we can do this on a mobile. Now on a mobile, we need the Google Maps app. So if you don't have it downloaded, just go to the Play Store and download that. And after that, just go to this folder wherever you have kept it and just go to the maps right here. So right now it's showing you where you are on this blue dot right here. It might take you some time to load that. So just wait for it. And now let's do the same. Let's explore that particular area. Let's search it here. So I'm going to write here the same thing, Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall metro station. So right now it is on the street view currently. It's a mall metro station. So the pin location is set to there. But if you want to explore some other street or some other area, what we can do is just zoom out and just double click on that particular area where you want to explore. And whatever street, let's say I want to explore this particular area, just hold on to that area and it will move the pin to that particular location, as we can see here. And after that, just click on it. And then you can see the image right here on the corner in the left side. Once we click on that, it will turn on the street view and then you can view the street view like this. And the rest of the procedure is same. This was your pin location marked right here. So if you want to move, let's say forward, you can click here. And if you want to turn around, you can use the touch as you normally do. Just swipe it with your thumb and you will be able to see and explore the map on the mobile. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. This is a pretty straightforward video. And if this video was helpful, then please leave a like and a comment. It will really help me out. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.